Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be looking at how to use the random module in Python. So first we are going to import the random module. Then we are going to create a variable called number. Initialize it with the random module dot rand int. So I'm going to print a range that I want the number to be from. So I'm choosing between 1 and 6, just like a dice. I'm choosing number between 1 and 6. So after that I can choose to print it immediately, and I can choose to say to know if the number is even, odd, or prime, or if it's greater than 0, higher than 0, less than 0. So let's use an if statement. If num is greater than 0, so we say print. So we are going to use the f string. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. So we are supposed to have number instead of num. Okay. So we're going to print the number and say is the num is, if it's greater than 0, that means it's positive. So num is positive number. So you can use an else if statement. If number is let's say equals to 0, so I could print using the f string again. Number is what? 0. Is 0. Okay, that's if it's equal to 0. Okay, we can use the final statement here. Else print number is what? Is negative, as a negative number. Okay, now I'm going to print this, and okay, to give it a chance for you to print negative number, I'm just going to say from -6 to 6. So let's pick the range of -6 to 6. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to run the Python file. So Python 3 dots rand it. Okay, so our first number is a negative number. I'm going to run the file again. Okay, we have 5, which is positive. I'll run it again. We have 6, which is negative. So we are getting a random number. So this is how to use the random module in Python. Thank you.